Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a task in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is to connect to your Salesforce organization, and after that, simply we need just to search for tasks. To do so, we go to the app launcher here, we click or we type tasks, and from here we will find the tasks. If you click on task, you will find that you will be able to create, edit, and do any operations on your tasks. So basically here I have already this sample task that I already have here, and I have their limited dates, etc. And if we want to create a new one, we will need just simply to go here in the actions and you can start creating your own tasks. So for simplification, I will just make it as a table display, so you can change the display of your tasks, so they can be like a timetable or the Kanban graph, or you can just have it as a table from here for more simplification. So I'm just going to click new task, and from here I will be able to start creating my task. You can choose the subject and of course the assignee for this task, and the task subtype if there are other types to assign to this task. And basically you give it the date and of course the name for the task and related to each account for your organization, and you can give it other uh, additional informations. So after that, you click on a new task. You will need just to click on save and new, and you will have your task that will be displayed here. And now you have successfully created your own task. And basically, whenever you want to see them or to show your task, you will need just to go and search for task, and you can start changing the display for more clarification or for more simplification. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.